Namaste everyone. Mahati Wellness welcomes you back to this unfolding journey through Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. In the previous sutras, we explored different supports for calming the mind, from breath awareness to inner light to focusing on the qualities of a steady hearted person. Now, in Sutra 1.38, Maharishi Patanjali gives us yet another subtle and unique method to steady the mind. Let us look at the sutra itself. The sutra is Swapna Nidra Gyan Alamban Va. The meaning of the sutra is, or the mind becomes steady by focusing on the knowledge gained from dreams or deep sleep. The word by word meaning of the sutra is, the first word is Swapna, meaning dream state. The second word is Nidra, which is deep sleep. Jnana, the subtle knowledge or impression. The next word is Alamban, means support or point of focus. The last word here is Va, means or. So the entire sutra says that one may steady the mind by contemplating the impressions or clarity that arises from dreams or deep sleep. Here, Maharishi Patanjali is pointing to something we often ignore, that both dreams and deep sleep reveal hidden aspects of our mind. For example, dream state, Swapna. In dreams, the external senses withdraw. The mind expresses its fears, desires, memories, or impressions through symbols and situations. When we reflect on dreams calmly, not emotionally, we understand what is moving inside us. This reflection becomes a mirror. And when the inner movement becomes clear, the mind settles naturally. Second is deep sleep, Nidra. Deep sleep is a state where the mind rests completely. There are no thoughts, no worries, no memories, no desires. What remains is a profound, effortless peace. We may not see anything in deep sleep, but when we awake, we say, I slept so peacefully. That recognition is also a form of knowledge. Meditating on that memory of deep, contented rest brings the same quietness into our waking mind. Philosophically speaking, this sutra teaches us something very special. We don't always need new techniques. Even our natural states, dream and deep sleep, can guide us inward. Dreams reveal our inner movements. Deep sleep reveals our original stillness. By contemplating them, we move closer to the mind's natural clarity. Let us do an inner inquiry. Take a moment and ask yourself, what dreams repeat themselves for me? What are they trying to teach me? Can I remember that sense of total rest from deep sleep and bring a little of that softness into my day? Sometimes the greatest wisdom comes in silence, not through effort, but through recognition. So, the essence of this sutra is, the impressions of dreams show the mind's patterns. The memory of deep sleep shows the mind's natural peace. Reflecting on either becomes a support for meditation and steadiness. So, in this Sutra 1.38, Maharishi Patanjali reminds us that the mind already carries its own teachings in dreams and in deep sleep. When understood wisely, they become gentle steps towards inner stillness. So, this was about Sutra 1.38. I will see you in the next episode with next Sutra. Namaste.